Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to learn about how we can use the where word, W-H-E-R-E, where this word in different sentences. So friends, we all know that when we say or utter the word where, so we can understand where it shows the place. It shows the place. And this word we used so many times in our communication. When we are talking with our friend, when we are talking with our relatives, when we are talking with anyone. So at that time we use where this word. Suppose we are in the school and we don't know where is our seat or where is our bench. So at that time we ask to the teacher, where is my seat or where is my chair? Okay, so where it shows the place. It shows the place. Please friends, keep it in your mind, where this word shows a place. Okay, now there are a lot of examples, and by that we can understand where we can word the word where. Okay, so let's see how we can use this word in different sentences, and by asking that how we can take the information. Friend, if you are new watching this channel, if you are new watcher here, then please subscribe my channel. Let's we start today's video. If I want to ask to someone my mobile that I have not find it, and I want to ask to someone, so I can ask simply like this, where is my mobile? You say after me please, where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? It means I don't know where my mobile is, and that's why I'm asking to someone, where is my mobile, because I don't remember it. Okay, so you can use this sentence in your communication. Let's see one more example. Where is the charger? Where is the charger? Mobile charger, laptop charger, you can say like this, where is charger? You can say where is mobile charger, where is laptop charger. Okay, so this type of question sentences, by using where word, you can ask to your friend, to your relative, you can use in your communication. Okay, so please, whenever I finished my sentence, after that you please say the sentence, then you can practice your communication skill. Where is the mobile charger? Or you can say, where is the laptop charger? Let's see next example. Where is my home? Where is my home? Where is your home? Where is her home? Okay, where is my home? You say after me, where is my home? Where is your home? Where is your home? Where is her home? Where is her home? So these three sentences we can use in our communication, because we don't know. It means particularly I don't know where is my home, where is your home, where is her home. So at that time I can ask this, where is her home or where is my home. Or you can take anybody's name. Suppose you want somebody's home, you don't know that, so you can ask like this, where is Sandesh home? Where is Sandesh's home? Okay, so like that. If you don't know the bank, SBI bank, or you don't know the bus stand, where is the bus stand, or you don't know the railway station, then at that time we can ask like this, where is the SBI bank in this city? Because I am new in this city, so I don't know where the SBI bank is. Or I want to ask about the ATM that I don't know. I'm new here, so I can ask like this: where is the ATM machine here? Where is the ATM machine here? Or you can use like this: where is the ATM machine in this city, or in this point, in this spot? Okay, please keep these sentences in your mind so you can use in your communication. You can ask like this: where is railway station? Where is railway station? You say after me: where is railway station? Because I'm new here, so I don't know where is the railway station, so that's why I'm asking where is the railway station. Okay, so this is all about the places that we are asking. But when we want to ask about our friend that we don't know where he is or where she is, so at that time we can ask like this: where is the Mohan? Where is the Mohan? So we are asking about him, Mohan. Okay, we are asking about Mohan, that we don't know where he is. Okay, you can take anybody's name there. Where is my mother? Where is sister? Where is my father? Okay, so like that we can use the sentences in our communication. When we want to ask about something else, like the spoon, like the chair, like the cot, like the room, like the door, so all that we can use just only like this: where is my cot? Or you can say like this: where is the door? Okay, I don't know where I can go out, so I can ask like this: where is the door that I want to go? Okay, so where is the door? Or you can ask like this: where is the spoon that I want? Okay, so where is the spoon? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the notebook? So all the sentences we can use in our communication. Just use name after the where is. Use name after the where is. Okay, now let's we see, if we want to ask about the country, then we can ask like this: where is the America? Where is the America? We are asking about the country. Where is the America? Where is the India? Where is Aurangabad? Where is Nashik? Where is Pune? So all that. Okay, just put a noun, a name after the where is, so it will be automatically the question, and that you can take the information from the others. Okay, so if I want say like this: where is my video? Where is my video? Or where is my channel? Where is my channel? Where is my family? Where is my family? Where is my college? Where is my relative here? Or you can say, where are my relatives? Where are my relatives? So you are asking about the so many relatives. Okay, now if you want plural, if you want to ask plural, like where are my cars, you can ask like this: where are my cars? I have a lot of cars and I don't know where they are, so I can ask like this: where are my cars? Where are my cars? Or I have a lot of dresses, so I can ask like this: where are my dresses? Where are my dresses? With this you can include the word favorite: where are my favorite dresses? Where are my favorite dresses? Or if you want ask about the shoes, then you can ask like this: where is my shoes? And where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? I have a lot of shoes and I want to choose one one pair to use it, so I can ask like this: where are my shoes? Okay, so like this, all the sentences, question sentences, we can use in our communication. Just keep it in your mind. When we want ask to someone like this, then we have to use name or noun after the where is. Okay, where plus is plus noun, then we can make the question sentence, and then we can communicate with each other, we can take information from others. Okay, so this is all about the video. I hope you understand all these sentences where to use it. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it to your friends for getting latest videos. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Have a nice time. Bye.